Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go. You can't play right now, try again later. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go, you can't play right now, try again later. You should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the window of Monopoly Go and you will enter. Then this list we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make a lot of issues on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.